What's up guys, George, you're watching Retro GT. Today I got a new video for you. Found something new on Amazon. I don't think anyone's done a video on this yet. Looked interesting, figured I'd make a video on it and see how it goes. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to be replacing the Foglights bezels for something new. In this box I have a replacement LED fog light bezel, the whole unit, for an aftermarket LED already integrated into this whole unit. This thing looks pretty cool. It's got 9 LED chips in here and it's a simple plug and play. This thing is just already wired up to those LEDs, so you just got to plug in the harness into this guy, just switch this out with the fog light bezel we have right now. And if you guys remember in a video I've done in the past where I replaced this one specifically, it takes 2 T25 bit to replace on each side here. It'd be a very simple, easy install, and it could be done in a matter of 10 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. We're going to try it out, and when it gets dark at night, we'll put it to the test, see how they look at night compared to the OEM ones, and we'll decide whether we like them or not. Let's get to it. So technically, the best way to do it is to pull the wheel, tire, whole thing out to give you full access to that window, so that way you don't have to struggle. You can do it with the tire still on, kind of a cheat not having to pull this out, but at the same time, mine, I've done it so many times that these guys don't want to come out anymore. So I have to legit pull this back and get this taken off of here. And no, I didn't break it. It's attached to here, here, and here. It's just not the best way to do it, since now I have limited access, but I can still do it this way. Well, as you can kind of see, that bottom T25 and that top needs to come out. Same with that harness. We just got to unplug that, and then the whole thing should come out. Okay, so I got the old one out, as you can see. This was the one that I replaced, so it doesn't look too bad. But I'm going to compare it to the one we're about to put in. So this is the one we're going to put in. If you notice, this one's got a little plug, you can call it. This one kind of did too, but it's not plugged up. So the purpose of that is to let the internals breathe, basically, let the LED breathe. So we're going to pull that off before we actually install it. But as you can see, they're pretty similar. You can definitely tell this is cheaper. It's lighter. The plastic feels kind of cheaper. This is hefty for what it is. But we're going to give it a try. I think what we're going to do is put in one of them, test it how it looks tonight, and if we like it, we'll put the other one in. But let's go ahead and install this guy. Well, it looks like a pretty good fit. Kind of fits in there just right. Just got to put those bolts back in. Okay guys, I just pulled off the old LED, and now it's bare. Now we should just be able to insert that into there. Okay, it's plugged in. Alright, car is on. There's the original one with the LED I put in, and then here's the new one. Right away I can tell it's not as bright as this one is. This one's definitely a little brighter compared to that one, but this is still during the daytime. In general, appearance wise, it looks nice, it looks cool. You can see the individual LED chips there, and they look pretty cool. That one's a little dirty, but still looks good. But the good thing about it is, so when I turned on the car, I could tell there was no codes that were thrown, which is a good thing, because that's usually a big problem when it comes to switching your lights to LEDs. You get that ugly light out code. So far so good. We'll see how it looks like tonight, and if it ends up being good, I might just replace the other side, rock them for a while. Well guys, down in eye level, they're both pretty bright. I still think this one might be a little brighter, but they're not that far off. They're both really bright. Inside here, still not throwing any code, which is nice. Good thing to know. Right now it's just rocking the fog lights. Full headlights, just fog lights. And just looking at the garage, it does kind of look like this side on the right is a little bit more spread out. Then the left hand side looks a little more direct. But you know, you're not going to be driving with fog lights only. It's got to be full headlights, you know. You know, one of my concerns was it almost looked like the aftermarket plug-and-play ones looked a little more blue, like on the website, you know, when you go to buy them. But they look very similar. Honestly, I think I'm going to switch it out. I think I'm going to fully switch it out to the other side as well. What's up, guys? We're back. It is the next morning. And last night, as you saw, we replaced that one LED light with the new one, and we compared it to the original one with the LED light in it. The new one looked clean, it looked good, it was pretty bright for what it was. And the other one, you know, it's older. The lens looked a little fogged up, but it was still pretty bright. In general, my thought was, I like it, I'm gonna do both sides. I went ahead and replaced the other one already and put it in. Very, very easy, simple installation. But guys, this product was on the cheaper side, I think. And it's new, just came out within the last couple weeks or so. But I will link this product down below. And if you guys are interested in buying the same thing, I'll have it there for you. I think it's worth it. As long as it doesn't throw a code, so far so good. I think the product's good. With that said, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Stick around. I'll have more Renegade stuff coming in the future. See you next time.